Hello, I'm Hunter.
Hey, I'm Megan, and today we're showing you how to make easy hard-boiled eggs.
Yes, so first thing you need is a pot with a lid, and that's a requirement. You just can't get away from that.
Yes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put however many eggs you're going to cook into the pot. We're making 8, so we have a
Yes.
medium-sized pot with the lid, of course, and then you're going to fill it up with water about 1 to 2 inches above to where the eggs are, and then you're going to put that on the stove at high heat, and you're going to boil the water. And while that boils, you want to add half a teaspoon of salt. And once it comes to a boil, you want to turn off the stove and put the lid on and let that cook for or let it set for about 10 minutes. And then once that's done, put them directly into an ice bath.
Yep, exactly what she said.
Okay, so we have our eggs in the pot and the water is over them. The eggs are submerged in the water, and so we're just waiting for the boiling to start. We see some bubbles starting to form on the edge. Obviously, we've all boiled something once before. This is a good time to add your half tablespoon of salt. This will just help your eggs peel a little easier whenever they're hard boiled. And so here we are, we have our pan, it's on high heat, the water's starting to boil, the eggs are looking great, they're white. And what we're going to do is we're just going to cover it up here and then turn off the stove and just let this sit for 10 to 12 minutes. And then once you're done with that, you can put them in a cool water bath, which will allow them to cool off real quick for you, and you can get to eating right away.
So here we are with our finalized egg. We've let this sit in the hot water for quite some time, about 10 minutes now. So we're just going to take this off. I'm going to put this over here, it's fairly hot. And so we just take our eggs out and we put them right into a nice cold chill bath. Isn't that right, Megan?
Yeah, so we have a bowl full of cool water and we put ice cubes in it to make it colder. And you just put all of your eggs from the hot pot into this, and you just let them until they cool completely, and then they'll be ready to peel and eat and season and make into whatever you want.
Oh yeah. Hard-boiled eggs are great. They're great for meal prepping also because
They
you know
last.
you can they last a very, very long time compared to a scrambled egg. But they also right here we have 8 eggs finished. You eat 2 eggs in the morning. That's 4 days. That's pretty much your whole week right there of a quick breakfast, as long as you have a little bit of time to sit there and peel the egg in the morning. A little salt and pepper on top, and it's a delicious meal.
Yes. So once again, thank you for joining us. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.